Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Ahmad Aminu. Today I will assess Iskandar D as a subject to assess their shoulder test. Okay, first I will do a Hawking Kennedy test. This test is to see the impingement of the shoulder. Alright, so the first position is the patient will sitting in relaxed position. After that, we will assess this right shoulder. Okay, this test will be performed in is I will move the arms of the shoulder and the shoulder will lift up 90 degrees or forward flexion, and the elbow is flexed to 90 degrees like this. Okay, after that I will forcefully move the patient shoulder into internal rotation and at the end of range of motion until reports to pain like this. I will hold one hand on the shoulder and one hand on their wrist, and I will pull their hand like this. Okay, this one you need to lock over here and you. Okay, this test is considered positive if pain is reported to the superior lateral aspect of the shoulder. Okay, that's all for me. Okay, for the second special test for shoulder is slap prehension test, which is the purpose of this test is to assess for a lesion of shoulder superior labrum. Okay, for the first step is make sure the patient is sitting relaxedly on the bed. After that, lift the one hand of the patient and make sure the hand is supinated. After that, the forearm examiner will put a pressure over here, over the trapezius, and the next step is the patient will slightly rotate their arm into the supination position like this. Okay. If patient feel pain in the bicipital groove with pronation and lessons or absence of with supination, the test is positive for slap. Alright. Alright, for the third test is drop arm test. Drop arm test is to assess the rotator cuff in the shoulder. Alright, so firstly is the patient will in sitting position. After that, I'm the examiner will lift up their arms 90 degrees, and he need to control the movement of arm to go back to the normal position. Alright, this positive test is determined if the patient cannot control slowly when they turn to back to the normal position, it's known as positive. Alright, that's all. Alright, for the next test is the apprehension test. This test is to assess the shoulder instability. Alright, for the first position is make sure the patient will in sitting position. After that, lift up their hand like this in 90 degrees, and the elbow also except 90 degrees. After that, I'm the examiner will pull their shoulder and my one hand is over their wrist. After that, I will slowly extend their hand like this. Okay, if pain during extend their hand, it's positively known as apprehension test. For the last test is speed test. Speed test is to measure the biceps pain at the bicep tendons. Alright, first lift up their arms and make sure their arms is supinated and the elbow is fully extended. After that, I'm the examiner will put some resistance over their arms like this, and they need to hold when I push their arms like this. Alright, the test alright, the test is to when I stop push down their arms, a sudden jerking movement. So the pain at this point may indicate a positive test for subacromial bursitis. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.